There are three types, which are core type transformer, cell type transformer, and vary type transformer. Preferred transformers are core and cell type transformer, and in syllabus we have comparison, which is asked frequently for 5 marks or 6 marks. Comparison between core and cell type. So let us see comparison. So I have written this already. This is core type transformer and this is cell type transformer, right? So core type transformer, for this we have one core as shown in diagram, on which there is one winding, there is another winding, and in cell type we are having this type of diagram in which windings are placed on any one limb. So this is one limb on which this is one winding and this is what, second winding. So this is constructional difference between core and cell type. Coming to comparison, so from these two diagram it is clear that we can have number of differences. First is here we can see that this is limb and this is limb, so we have only two limbs for for providing winding. So this is what magnetic frame of two limb, whereas this will be 1 2 3 three limbs are there. So this is what in cell type there are three limbs, right? So magnetic frame of three limb. Now in this flux, if it is established here, the flux has only one path, so it has only one magnetic circuit, whereas in this flux, when it is originated from here, it can pass through this path and it can pass through this path also. So there are two paths available for this flux. Therefore in cell type we have two magnetic circuit, right? Now coming to this one, here windings are encircling the core. This is core and windings are encircling this core, whereas if you observe one cell type transformer, these are the cores which are encircling these windings. Windings are inside and core are outside, right? So this is also another difference. Now from the winding position only, whenever there is fault in winding, so it is easy to replace these windings, which are because they are directly available to the operator, so easily we can repair these windings. Whereas for removing these windings during faulty situation, it will be little bit difficult, right? So we can say in this transformer it is easy to repair, whereas in this transformer it is difficult to repair. Now as these windings are not surrounded by core, so natural cooling is better here, because this is in direct contact with the air, whereas natural cooling will be little bit difficult because the windings are closed by this core. Coming to flux leakage, so flux has to pass from this limb to this limb. During this there is more chance of leakage because there is more gap between the two windings, whereas both windings are placed on same limb, so fluxes coming from first winding to second winding will be more and leakage possibility will be less. So in this case leakage flux is less, whereas in this case leakage flux is more. So as leakage flux is more, this type of transformer will be preferred for low voltage application, whereas this type of transformer will be designed for high voltage application. As leakage is more, here regulation, which we will see later on. So in this case regulation is poor, whereas in this case regulation will be better. So this is all about the comparison between these two, right? So in this, whenever they are asking for 6 or 8 marks, you can go for the optimum points. 6 correct point will give you 6 mark if it is asked for 6 mark, right? let us go towards next topic, that is working principle of